what's up guys? This is Brandon Belcher. I would like to welcome you to my CPA Boss channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, most definitely go ahead and do so right now because I put the hottest of the hottest content out when it comes to CPA marketing on my channel. So what I want to talk about right now is newbies. Whenever you're first getting started with CPA marketing, what you may be doing wrong when you apply to CPA Networks. Now, a lot of people think just because they hear a lot of great stuff about CPA marketing and just because you don't have to pay any money to get started with CPA marketing, that they can just easily get signed up with CPA Networks, start promoting offers, and start making tons and tons of money. It doesn't really work that way because most CPA networks will not approve you right away. They want to approve you right away because they want to make sure that the people that are applying to their networks are very serious people, and if they feel like you're not really a serious person, then they won't accept you in. And you have to show CPA Networks that you are very dedicated and working with them and getting started with their network. So one sure thing that I love to personally do, if let's say if I was a newbie, I'd done this back in the day. At first I wasn't doing this, and then once I was given this tip, I started doing this and I never had problems getting accepted into CPA Networks again. But what you want to do as a brand new person, whenever you apply to a company like adworkmedia.com or like, let's say CPA Build or any company, is you want to go ahead and apply for the network. Whenever you sign up, make sure you have a website, or if you don't have a website, a lot of times you could just put like youtube.com on like CPA Build and content locking networks like that, and they will accept you right in if you do this one thing. But you got to understand also, people like adworkmedia is not going to accept that, so you have to submit a website most of the time in order to get accepted. And what I mean is, whenever you sign up as a publisher on like adworkmedia.com, they ask for a website and they just want to know, like, if you're a person that's promoting stuff online, like, you should have a website to submit to us so we can see what kind of content you share and see what kind of person you are. So a lot of times on like adworkmedia, you got to have a website. But if you're on like applying like CPAGrip and applying to like CPA Build, most of the time if you're promoting CPA offers on YouTube, I've seen hundreds of people put youtube.com and get accepted with no problem at all. So that's the first tip. But the main tip is, whenever you get signed up to a network, they will tell you that they will contact you in 3 to 4 days, usually 5 days max. You never, ever, ever want to wait until they contact you. I'll tell you why. Because they have hundreds, if not thousands, of applications of people wanting to do the one and only CPA marketing. So they're going to pick and choose who they're going to accept. They're going to pick and choose who they're going to deny. Do you know 90 to 95%, actually 90 to 99% of the time, who they accept first? The people that contact them. That's right. If you submit your application to adworkmedia and they say that they're going to contact you in 3 to 4 business days, you just be like, nope, I'm contacting you right now. If it's a business day, I'm going to contact you to show how dedicated I am and how ready I am to start promoting you guys' offer. So what I personally do, even still to this day, is as soon as I submit the application, I contact them. I find an email or a phone number on their website. Phone number is always better if you can get on the phone with them. Now, if you're shy, you got to get unshy if you want to be a part of CPA marketing. So I hop on the phone with them like, hey, my name is Brandon Belcher. I just signed up to you guys' network, and I want to start promoting your offers. I believe that I can bring a ton of value to your network. I just want to start promoting your offers. I've been doing this for many years. You always want to say that. Even if you haven't been doing it for many years, you definitely want to let them know that you have some kind of experience. But I just tell them I've been doing this for years. I'm a media buyer. Now, they love media buyers. Sometimes you can say that I do Facebook ads, which is, type of media buying, but I say like I'm a media buying with like native ads, and that works every single time if you tell them you do like native ads and stuff like that, because they know you're most likely a person that's going to bring a ton of traffic to their CPA offers. But I just usually tell them that I'm a media buyer and I spend X amount of dollars a month. You could say $4,000 or $5,000 a month on ads, and you're just ready to hit the ground running and start promoting their offers. You join to play no games at all. You're just ready to take it serious, promote their offers, and really hammer things hard. You can even, name drop a few other CPA networks that you may not even be a part of yet. Sometimes they'll check with them though. So I could say, like, let's say if I'm signing up for adworkmedia, I could say, yeah, I've been a part of CPAGrip for X amount of years. Most of the time they'll just take your word for it, but sometimes I've had them contact that company, like, have you ever heard of Brandon Belcher? And that can turn out bad sometimes. So if you name drop, make sure you are or have been a part of the company that you tell them that you've been a part of. But overall, at the end of the day, you never want to sound like a newbie whenever you are talking to these people on the phone. You just got to let them know that you are ready to push heavy traffic. You got to let them know that actually they're going to know, because you called them. They're going to know that you're more serious than the people that are just sitting around watching Netflix, waiting to be contacted in 3 to 4 days. Those are the people most of the time that get denied. But when you pick up that phone, or if they don't have a phone number, or when you shoot them an email and let them know that you're serious, trust me when I say this, 90 to 99% of the time, you're going to get accepted every single time by doing that. But I just wanted to, let you guys know how to get accepted faster than ever, because I see so many people be like, I just applied for CPA Build, I guess I'll just wait around and see what happens, hopefully I get accepted. No, that's the wrong approach. Always contact them guys, and you're going to be blown away with how fast and how many networks that you get accepted to by showing them how dedicated you are. So I just wanted to drop this tip today, guys. I got so much more content that I'm planning right now for my channel. If you're new to this channel, most definitely subscribe if you want to learn a lot about CPA marketing. And I will catch you guys very soon in my next video.